You like bish more they go.
Welcome back to our vlog.
There's a special kind of love.
Welcome back to our vlog. Here's our life with every song. Daily joys, big and small. Family time, we share it all. Morning starts with a smile. Kids and laughter all the while. Cooking meals, spreading joy. Every moment we enjoy. Welcome back to another vlog. Join our journey, come along.
Yeah, let's be going. Don't mash poo-poo. Yobo, yum my glass no. Hey guys, good afternoon. In fact, let me wear my eyeglass and say good afternoon. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are going at family acting. Don't worry. If me and my husband, we are marching today. No need to say don't worry. Let me tell you that. Me and my husband, we are marching today. The boys, they are marching also. So yeah, this is family acting. Come and enjoy with us. Come and flex with us. Come and have fun with us. We are still enjoying our summer holiday. This is not Papa. You like bish more they go, where they go so. Look, oh, me no go mash shit. See person where I carry for stroller. See the way Papa hand. The way Daddy hand. You guys should come. Yeah. So guys, I went back home to pick our mats for the picnic or beach. But we are going for a picnic, guys, and the speaker. So yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, come guys. Our train is here. Oh yeah, go straight, no sir. Wait, I say. Oh yeah. Maybe. Mama.
Mommy, look at this.
It's dirty.
Yeah, look at it.
Don't touch it, oh. Get totally there. Don't show me tomorrow. You know why I run your snaps now. So guys, we are in the train. Yes. You are hot. Yeah. Oof. Are you cold now? No. You are not cold. As I said, it's hot. Everywhere is hot, guys. It's okay.
Welcome back to our vlog. Here's our life with every song. Daily joys, big and small. Family time, we share it all. Morning starts with a smile. Kids and laughter all the while. Cooking meals, spreading joy. Every moment we enjoy. Welcome back to another vlog. Join our journey, come along. Lucky Success TV family, where love and fun is all we see. Mom and dad working hard in the yard or in the yard. Kids at play, growing fast. Moments treasured, making last. Hitting pause to capture time. Sharing moments so divine. Every day a brand new start. Vlogging life straight from the heart.
Go that side. Press some now. No sir, press. That side. If they walk up on this side, look what I put for get on. Oh yeah, go and stand close to Daddy. Guys, they have been sleeping. All the boys, including my husband. Now let me no sleep. Oh yeah, go inside. Oh the yes. Oh yeah, press 1. Okay. I have to sleep. Oh yeah, press put on. Yeah. Okay. So guys, we are in the other city. We spent almost 2 hours in the train because we are going to Funicola. It was sunny today, but right now it's cloudy. But that means the reason. So if we just enter, go up, go view. If we not come do picnic for them, they go out because the weather don't change. We are going inside. So we are going to enter Funicola.
Yeah.
Yeah. 0. This one is people no cover face.
Abaco.
Abajo, muy bien, cariño. Go out and wait. Oh yeah, let's cross. Go straight. Go straight. Yeah, go and press it. Oh, don't go down. So guys, I don't know if you guys remember. Okay, this is the little. One time we came here without press and press. People use the press and go down. Where they come. So yeah, again. Yeah, go. Zero.
Me.
So Daddy, will you have fun today? Will you have fun today? See, your eyes they do sleepy. My husband likes sleep. So with the boys. Not too less sleep. Zero. Planta será igual. We'll find out something before we come here. We'll ask about questions. See, I think that the best ticket is sent to this. Oh, lo siento. I see. I'm gonna buy some. Not be able to buy that bread, Daddy. Now you buy that, then I would then say it now. Not be this one. No, I say you cannot eat that one. It's so strong. Okay. This one, so I don't know that they don't want mom. This one for still good though. And a pizza bread now. They chop pizza bread. This one like this. But I don't know whether because they put the one where they don't want. I better buy tickets on here. Come on. You don't want to go. Okay. Come on. Okay. Maybe now we will go see maybe this part for them. No, you're not doing anything here anymore. Capture it. May I capture it?
In the chaos, I find peace. And I love my heart finds ease. Together we can face it all. Big or small.
I say, no sir. We are going to take this. This is called Funicola. Funicola. Yeah, let's go. I say, oh no, sir hand. Oh yeah, oh no, sir hand. Let's go. Be going, baby. No, sir. Oh, I saw her hand. Honey, be going. Oh, yeah. No, sir. Go. Where car will follow it? Another a car aga road, baby. Oh yeah, no sir, come. Yes, go inside. Yeah, sit down. Sit down. What are you doing, eh?
A happy home, it's all I want. Live and enjoy without.
Are you having fun?
Take me just the way you see. This is real, this is me. Early morning,
guys, you're going to see where we are going to.
Through the dark to morning light.
I like both.
Every hug and every smile makes it all so worthwhile. A happy home, it's all I want. Live and enjoy without. Take me just the way you see.
So guys, we are waiting about 10 minutes.
Early mornings and sleepless nights, through the dark to morning lights. Every hug.
Yes. Yeah, you're climbing the mountain.
Take me just the way you see. This is real, this is me. In the chaos I find peace. In all of my heart finds ease. Together we can face it all. Big or small, we stand tall. A happy home, it's all I want. Live and enjoy without a taunt. Take me just the way you see. This is real, this is me. Early mornings and sleepless nights, through the dark to morning lights. Every hug and every smile makes it all so worthwhile. A happy home, it's all I want. Live and enjoy without a taunt. Take me just the way you see. This is real, this is me.
Come. Yeah, go up. Climb up. I said, be careful. Be careful, alright? Don't fall, okay? No, you are. Oh, yeah, wait there. I said, wait for mommy. Oh, yeah, leave there. Let's wait for them. I forgot to the climb. Sorry. Gracias. Gracias.
Hola, chico guapo.
Hola. 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 I am going to go. Hey, now this I talk say. Wow, fun day there. Oh. No, don't touch it. Oh.
Yeah, lift it up.
Eh.
Mommy,
Yes.
look, mommy. Mommy.
Oh. Ah, okay. Yes, I see it. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, let's take a walk around.
Look, it's echo.
Oh, what's your worry, ma?
Mommy, it's echo.
It's echo. It's echo. Yeah, round and round. So guys, we are on top of the mountain where we can have this amazing view of all the city. Let me show you the view from here, safe. Guys, which one? Who go help me with children? I forget I want to experience about. Only me want to go at her. Two of us will gather at her, you they encourage me. This garden here is super big, round, and beautiful. Wow, see the view from here. See the cloud with the mountain. It's amazing. Those one they spare. Did you see? No sir, look at the cities.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh no sir, you get way too. Yeah, city. Stadium where? Ah, this one now be Bilbao view. Wow, this is amazing. Eh? Is it? This is so cool.
Let's see. Where is it?
Why? If you collect something from me, you don't want to do it, you collect it back. I don't want to be hearing one. What is one?
Look at.
Guys. Oh, what cook here?
If you want to do it, you wait, okay?
You wait. Don't shake, alright?
Yeah.
Hey, I say it's snapping also.
You are not seeing mommy.
Raise it up a bit. Good boy, like that. Don't shake it. Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah, look inside your phone.
Oh, yeah, look the phone. Oh, yeah, snap.
Oh,
Yeah, raise it up. Raise it up.
look at it.
Look at the picture. Oh, yeah, snap mommy and daddy. You don't try. Our cameraman.
This one blank.
This one blank.
This one be one good.
Boy, you know, oh, yeah, wait, we'll go anywhere you want to go, right? Oh my God. Hello. Hello.
I am a mother in love and care, giving all I have to you right there. Loving my kids, my hubby too. That's my strength and all I do. Lucky Success TV. A happy home is all I want. Living in joy without a taunt. Take me just the way you see. This is real, this is me. Early mornings and sleepless nights, through the dark to morning lights. Every hug and every smile makes it all so worthwhile. A happy home is all I want. Living in joy without a taunt. Take me just the way you see. This is real, this is me, this is me. In the chaos I find peace. In our love my heart finds ease. Together we can face it all. Big or small, we stand tall. A happy home is all I want. Living in joy without a taunt. Take me just the way you see. This is real, this is me, this is me, this is me.